Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use Bitwarden's latest security feature on iPhone to protect your app logins. If you want a free secure way to manage passwords, Bitwarden has everything built in. Step number 1, enable autofill for logins. Open settings, then go to general and then go to autofill and passwords, and then select Bitwarden instead of iCloud Chains. Now whenever you log into an app or website, Bitwarden will suggest your saved credentials instantly. Step 2, turn on Face ID or Touch ID. Open the Bitwarden app, go to settings and then go to security and then enable unlock with Face ID/Touch ID. This keeps your vault locked unless you lock it. Use vault hit and breach reports. If you are on Bitwarden Premium, turn on vault health reports or to check for weak, used or exposed passwords. This helps you strengthen your logins. Store 2FA two-factor authentication codes. When adding a login, scroll down and add a TOTP authenticator key. Now Bitwarden will generate two-factor codes right next to your password so you don't separate app like Google authentication. Try passkeys. Bitwarden supports passkey on iOS. If a website or app supports it, save a passkey in Bitwarden instead of a password for faster, more secure logins. Safety tip: never share your Bitwarden master password. Without it, you can unlock or recover your vault. Quick fix: if autofill does not work, go to settings and then go to password and then go to autofill password, toggle Bitwarden off and then turn it on again. And yeah, that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.